Mga jetlog pala dito. Yung bakasyon. I'm in the vacation. You have a very nice coffee there.
Yeah, I buy in market.
Mm.
Yeah,
Rice instead.
yeah, bread. You want bread?
Ano, I want
Rice.
instead.
Rice?
Yeah, she likes rice.
Oh,
Fried rice.
rice. We don't have rice. Sorry, not cooking. Yeah, only noodle now.
Diet.
Yeah, yeah.
Naghahanap ng rice. Mm. Ang sarap ng sauce na to.
Opisina ko, ang balbot ko.
Haluan ta kape mo na to.
Anong kabil mo ito yung kape? Basta lang?
Creamer.
God.